Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Honor. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Then tap on Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Themes. Now you can select yours in the middle and apply the best theme for you by clicking on it. I will go with high contrast, so when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, just tap on Customized at the top right corner. Then select Start and tap on Add Image. In order to use this feature, you need to select Allow in the pop-up. Now click on one of your photos that you wish to apply as keyboard's background. In my case, this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Click on Done at the top right corner. And manage key borders and symbols thanks to those two switchers. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner as well. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!